Start with a chain of 14 stitches, yarn over, skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, into the 4th chain space, go through these 2 loops of the 4th chain and make a double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same chain space to make them 2. The skipped chain 3 plus 2, those are 3 double crochets in the same stitch. In the next 9 stitches, 1 double crochet into each one of them. One double crochet, go to the next stitch, 1 double crochet, continue until you have 9. After making 9 double crochets across, in the last chain space, make 6 double crochets in the same chain space. 1 double crochet, continue until you have 6 in the same chain space. Once you have the 6 double crochets in the same chain space, make 9 double crochets across, going to the beginning point. This is 1. Continue until you make 9. After making 9 double crochets across, in this chain space where I made 3 double crochets, I'm going to add 3 to make them 6. 1, 2, and 3. Slip stitch into the chain 3. 1, 2, 3. You go through 2 loops of the chain 3 and slip stitch. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. The chain 3 is counted as a double crochet. In the same place where I slip stitched, make 1 double crochet to make them 2. In the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochets into each one of them, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. In the next 9 stitches, 1 double crochet into each one of them, 1 double crochet, go to the second stitch, 1 double crochet, continue until you make 9. 9 double crochets across. In the next 6 stitches, 2 double crochets into each one of them, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Continue with 2 double crochets until you finish the 6 stitches. Once you make 2 double crochets in every stitch for 6 stitches, repeat what we did this side on this side. In the next 9 stitches, 1 double crochet into each one of them. The remaining 3 stitches, 2 double crochets into each one of them. Then slip stitch into the chain 3, 1, 2, 3, going through these 2 loops of the chain 3 and slip stitch to finish the round. To begin round 3, chain 1. The chain 1 is counted as a single crochet in the same stitch where I slip stitched. Make 1 single crochet. The chain 1 plus this single crochet, those are 2 in the same stitch. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. The next stitch, 2 single crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2. In the next 6 stitches, 1 single crochet into each one of them. 1, go to the second, 1 single crochet, go to the third, 1 single crochet, go to the fourth, 1 single crochet, go to the fifth, 1 single crochet, go to the 6th, one single crochet. In the next stitch, make one half double crochet. In the next 5 stitches, make one double crochet into each one of them. One double crochet, go to the second stitch, one double crochet, go to the third stitch, one double crochet, go to the fourth stitch, one double crochet, go to the fifth stitch, one double crochet. In the next 12 stitches, we are going to increase, but not in every stitch. In one stitch, you make 2 double crochets. In the next one, you make only one. Making 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. The next stitch, I make only 1 double crochet. Repeat that 5 times to complete the 12 stitches. Once you complete the 12 stitches, repeat what we did this side. Then I will slip stitch, not in the marked stitch, but in the next stitch to finish. Then make one slip stitch into every stitch across. I'm marking the beginning of my slip stitches to know where to stop. Make one slip stitch into every stitch across until you get back to the stitch marker. One slip stitch into every stitch across. When you get to the stitch marker, slip stitch into the first slip stitch to join. Then cut and hide the loose ends. Weave in this loose end. The sole is complete and it measures 4 inches. This is the right side. I will turn this way and work these 2 loops facing this side. Leave these 2 loops facing this side. I will attach my yarn here. Chain 1 and fasten. Then make 1 half double crochet and continue making 1 half double crochet into every stitch across. Continue making 1 half double crochet into every stitch across. You make 1 half double crochet into every stitch across. When you get to the beginning point, you join with a slip stitch, chain 1, make 1 half double crochet in the same stitch, and continue making 1 half double crochet into every stitch until you complete this round, and make 1 more round for a total of 3 rounds. Once you have the 3 rows of half double crochets, slip stitch into the first half double crochet, cut and weave in the loose end. Make a magic ring, chain 1 and fasten, chain 2, make 15 double crochets in the magic ring, 1, 2 double crochets, continue until you have 15. After making 15 double crochets, pull to close the magic ring, then slip stitch into the first double crochet using this white color. I will use this to slip stitch. Then tie this loose end to this which I was using and cut it. I'm going along with these two loose ends. Chain 3. The chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same stitch. Those are 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch, make 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. Continue making 2 double crochets into every stitch until the end. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the chain 3. I will use this to slip stitch. Tie this loose end to the yarn I was working with. Chain 1 and make 1 half double crochet in the same stitch. The next stitch, I make 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, going along with these loose ends. 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. Repeat that pattern. 1 half double crochet, the next stitch, 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. You repeat in the next 23 stitches until you have 7 stitches which are not worked. I will leave 7 stitches without working them. I have worked on 23 stitches. Chain 1 and cut. Weave in these loose ends. With this green color, I have 33 stitches. I will mark the middle stitch. So I have 16 stitches this side and 16 this side. I have marked the middle stitch. I will fold this to identify the middle stitch at the front. Count 16 stitches this side without counting the marked stitch. Then I'm going through one loop only, not 2 loops. I go through front loop of this shoe and the back loop of this one. Weave in these loose ends. I will attach my yarn here. Chain 1 and fasten. Make 2 single crochets in this green color. Then continue to this side, making 1 single crochet into every stitch across. One single crochet into every stitch across, coming to this side. One single crochet into every stitch across. Along this half double crochet, you make 2 the same way we did the other side. Then slip stitch. Continue slip stitching into every stitch across. Continue slip stitching into every stitch across. You slip stitch all round. When you get to the marked stitch, this was the first slip stitch that I made, you join with a slip stitch, cut and weave in the loose end. That marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you enjoyed, kindly give me a like. Then I will see you in the next tutorial.